e ma kwa ba e ba fake ntwi dwumade so why mess na ne so no na hye wo dwumade so any video we no e be discuss about online shopping ka online shopping na che say ubetimi ato e normal online shopping interest e be albeto ade na free approach ya ba be do Ghana nkwa na ye online shopping so to ade wo online that is online shopping nti e Ghana akwa na to no online online shopping in the video we no be show website and how with me afa so aye online shopping say Ghana say ya buchi with me aye online shopping obenya normal cheap prices. Inti me dem beko website several websites e be ni na on computer so me beko website on meet me the PayPal e mo ko website on je PayPal on je Visa cards e mo ko website on je cryptocurrencies se oko website no mo je PayPal yeah mo fantu mutim say website on je PayPal any website on je PayPal no website on je PayPal no ne bo ne be wo so a chen website no mo je PayPal no intermaker say obi e seller te say me de ade koto eBay a se me ton ade bia na eBay for bete omo percentage sa so na PayPal for so bete omo percentage buyer no and score be send them me no sa percentage ni nyina be free nti seller no so de to a obi make sure who say eBay percentage ni PayPal percentage ni nyina ai den e ka ade no ho but obi de ade koto na crypto na other one na transactions in share ni so na ni no be make sure say ni na dey etiti from team no be copy se na dey ya website ni na ma go through na ma show how obetimi afa so ato any address say dey so obo site bi ameko bia no me leave e dey ato video na say description no ba be ba na dem obo so a okokoro is account or nti e be dey can start free ebay.com ebay.com one of the website are very very safe so person your online shopping very safe and no eBay location was US or headquarters were US launch eBay 1995 so eBay very trusted pa over eBay website here muji PayPal ho nti sellers na dey ade ba to eBay how we make sure say ade no mo dey to ha no any PayPal transaction ni bibia no mo tete free ansa no mo upload ya to nti eBay ha no so no eBay ma ho kwan ma wontimi share contacts what as it say o je seller ne number na o push number na iden ama seller no say ebia one ne chat one ne nye communicate with backdoor eBay ma ho kwan e basa na eBay for beden on be hold your account no and on be restrict your account no say they wontimi nye shopping with eBay ho bi but we are lucky na wontimi o pese seller ne your supplier anything dia na utimi picking a number no na ni exchange emails anyway a obetimi na chat direct e wo backdoor outside eBay but for two team say eBay ha no to ade a eBay for no mo back with eBay buyer protection omo protect you ba seller ne de okọ ho a e wo ne seller ne entemasem ti okọ na otwi udi a e wan kasa wasem wana waya mana ide atwi wadi anything be ana be say obey den obeton wa na oni seller da so dele na hu say o je seller ne di seller ne ye ku kakra obetimi na exchange numbers later on me signing in e me account no so won say ma signing in wa medina wa ha no o say symbol na my we in faking tree nti eBay ha no first na me ton a normal ha unlocking na me like me ye unlocking wa ha me so me ton cause eBay ha no to say ade a e bia me posting wo ton aton wa ha e bia 100 series no eBay metimi aton no be 500 series cause e ho no omo nche da hu ni scan ye high sa nti mitimi ton ho amamfo timi to timi ba mitimi nya ska bebre eBay metwia US tax ne PayPal for transaction we no awie no na manya ska bebre e wo eBay ha nti eBay ha na me de den me so mitimi de ton no mapa nti me yi me pese me yi me reviews na me wo eBay hanama but as a network ne emwa me nti me review ni di o hwe me reviews are positive reviews di na me negative review ni but obetimi ahwe me review ni na wa ha nti ye wo oba ha obetimi aye me joining no we nti me pese me yi receive as a seller nti me feedback am receive time na me turn no money di 100% trusted on the make us me unlocking na me unlocking iPhones or model on the me unlocking be at $210 without on the baggers come more than 1,003 but hano na me unlocking be 200 cities and na 300 cities nti na me nyens come o ha na hano we cry website na me ton website wo eBay ha $5 so the baggers come be 40 cities 30 cities try me turn na me business online pa na we broni bi on say nipa de untimi nipa nyina enyepe like adwene nyina ntimi enyepe or say or leave bad review or say backdoor company nti website na me leave man na ho omo bisa na license ni we na buafu na obe return and obe leave feedback na ma me so nti o Ghana haya obetimi atenke with like online business dey one kasa no betimi create bi cause if you kwai na me fa so am ton me be baganas kama me yeska bebre ni we na ha obetimi aden etimi yeska bebre mato no ma bebre wo da one kasa ho feedback na as a seller any as a buyer na otimi say obetimi aden ayusu eBay na aden etimi da ye adwuma bebre na website for fra you betimi accounting on say your online shopping anywhere z2u.com we hear me previous video now me video about how we betimi afaso website ni betimi afaso aye business be pre ewa ha to say how a person wo faso call betimi also betimi aton normal wa ha nti so wo ha na wo ton ade bi like wo ya ade bi a person wo ton wo betimi a try na wo ton ade na say ha no wo betimi nya Netflix account cheap prices Netflix account o ton wetimi akọ eBay nti ko eBay a obo so mo ton Netflix account wo ho na wa pick wa pay site we as a supplier nti wo post ade wo eBay wa na wa yeden na wo ton obetimi aton Netflix account no eBay wo bia be $10 ha no obetimi nya ne bia be $2 and be $10 the same thing applies to so person we online shopping na obetimi the way no so yeden aye online shopping na bi ni nyina online shopping no cause video we about how obetimi afa so yeden enye ska me more ideas how obetimi afa so yeden afa so enye ska cause me boy use GTV wa two person ton games obetimi aye business bi a person ye bia no site we be den betimi aboa he say yem fa ne say sisi am pese me ton Netflix account me say Netflix TSC am pay Netflix account TM fans me pay Netflix account na ma search na ma bo Netflix account but choose account no you choose account na one say bia na the price wa ha we 1 month or $19.5 na ye wo ni nyina o say we will be in the terms and condition description o say password is changeable we will be our password no ntimi change na we wa ha say $1 that's when the baggers can be 6.2 like in 7 cities do ban the description hana o he seller we ya hwe ne orders away chese wo positive feedback with nti sa seller we no o ton ade wo wa to ade wo no betimi a trust na wa to ade wo no ho cause so feedbacks be pray why here you man cheso cause we say one screen one device nti se o ton ade wo different sites say ebi as a Netflix account o fa we as a supplier no akoposi no wo digi ana se tonaton ana se eBay a betimi akope ne descriptions no na dia to descriptions na se nti say ade we ya omoton or oton or the same one na woton na wo price no why ni bia be $7 and $5 tinipa no ta o place order no so we place order no and why dey o dey amani pa no so a very very good business pa obetimi aye obetimi aye die nyeska bebre e dey aye 1212 sa so na ebia obi pe ebia Instagram account Instagram account e wo followers dada sa site we bia obetimi anya ni nyina e wo wo say me type ins wo say wo boosting wa ha ne wo account wa ha so be per kwan obetimi fa so boosting Instagram account a obetimi da your business say be a account Instagram account na wo ton to dem me tabs in the two ba ko account na ba ko boosting so sa ha say ni account or say Instagram account ni do say ubia in the descriptions beyond in the descriptions or beyond in the description say we so Instagram account will say 10k followers on your account already what 10,000 followers our account no so that now I have to it be a $6 or say into with me a huge business since your person we business be ya wo ton Instagram account ni normal be bra oba we no bet me be about $20 no why then so how be any very good business pa so what I say nja oba account will see 80k followers insi obi akohu obi a incoming star bi opeso di ya gaga kakra wabeton no ama no price na wa ha no 80k followers nye easy ono nya 80k no wabeton ama so a very good business na wo Instagram boosting onzo opeso boosting man ni nyina wa so taking tree se video we see ya pempen so ya do woni agi video no ho a channel we want subscribe like video no share fama wo down for men selfish ma na fo hu taking tree like my channel ne dey enko achi cause o selfish me sure say bitimi aboye nyina ebia so na wo wa adwen so o na fo ne so be hu a ade mo business ne be dey me slow but yankopon nye no masa cause it was a jadofo ko kejeti ani we ya omodo so pa but yankopon mo to bi ade but ana wo team there okay obi an na asem I want team nti sa website wo pe a normal like website normal far boosting accounts like sharing games game card gift card ni nyina mo ye no wo nti betim ni nyina business one by one which mean the site when very good business pa was our website we know which mean business to turn games which mean aton to medical am eBay ni we am ye business wo and to betim the idea ayo business pa and so cryptocurrency account now person wo dey shopping because any kind of video over fast work create cryptocurrency account now this cartoon abra we use mobile money into unya here sa video na obetimi a check away videos na ya yenim iPhone 12 Pro Max wa ha eno no crypto ni di scout the beton na wa ha no nti ha no so no ne bo na eden e wo form nti no obetimi a use crypto emporium e dey atim dey atoto no man to say wo pe cryptocurrencies o crypto now person wo dey toto normal why then obetimi aba site on why then wetin dey ato obetimi ato bitcoin e wa ha ena obetimi ayusu obetimi ato bitcoin e wa ha site na wa ha na reward programs ni nyina mo rewards na bibi o person ye seller sa website we bia no obetimi ay seller e wo ho o mema akwan ya ma wetimi ay seller phones are open ni models type ni nyina wa ha ena wo cryptoemporium.eu ni na wo ya wo wi anu abo shipping address na dey ahye ho ni na me shipping den e dey proud wo pese wo ye selling wa ha wo bitimi abo become a seller no kwa sell now we say was sell now no abo sell now no so sa website we bia wo pa me leave website ni din nyina wo descriptions ni ntu betimi ahwe website na wabo wo he website ni din na wabo website ni din na wabo so no ko register account wo enya ade a den kra nti wo pese wo to ade ne wo ho no nti sa sala we wo 3 stars ye wo sala bi ni wo mo join ya che o man ye nti wo to ade a hweni ye what I say wo to ade cause wo di cryptocurrency to ade a se madi kan video bi a che mo ade a risk den e wo nti o to ade wo at the site a use cryptocurrency sa no wa hwe no ma bi 1 2 bi wa hwe ni ye e na site ba ko a mo je PayPal mo je Visa card mo je cryptocurrencies sa website no so mo metimi a ship ya bagana site ni dey overstock sa site we no mo so mo no ma bo e for papa e na ade bia wo pese wo to bia no be den ubenya e wo ha say lightning say jewelries like outdoors kitchen normal bia no benya no wa ne normal boy for ha pa ni nyina wa ha cause o share o scroll down obetimi de aye ewo ha sei ha nyina obetimi de aye online shopping na bia also badan wa hwe plant like ade a wo si fie mu no bi ade bi a de be ye fie bia no overstock ebe fele e de ama na ya ye dem Ghana oba gg.com.gh first na OLX gg first na OLX in case obi a wo pe car to like ade bi a wo pa to Ghana bia no no na say wo search wa ha bia iPhone 12 Pro Max no abo iPhone 12 Pro Max na she iPhone 12 Pro Max but don't know about iPhone 12 Pro Max yeah nim say iPhone 12 Pro Max the current price is be about 6,500 6,000 and prices they on depending on gig you know but uko hu obi wa na oton iPhone 12 Pro Max 2,000 2,500 ye hwi se nipa no ebia ne ho ache no kwa na oton a okoto phone na make sure say phone your original to say video na editing ya ba kon ya betimi afa so check hu say phone your original make sure so nipa no be share ni ba bia ye pete ebia police station na say ba bia na ope security officer bi man ye den di wachi na wakoto ene kra no so share wo police station na ba bia ho ye pete na watimi akoto but anything they recommended say oboto suppliers no more ton phones na utimu say omoma standard prices no ho and site for ye tonaton ye wo tonaton ye wo Alibaba ye wo Gigi ye wo Jumia ye wo site website be obetimi da den atin dia your online shopping no yes I hope someone a clear understanding our video way follow take in your Facebook oko YouTube ko subscribe channel no e the videos who here o Ghana ha bia wo ya de bia unim ate na wo ye no